Good evening. Welcome back to the fall trading session. As we kicked off today, was a real grind. We traded pre-market as high as 1027.50, which you can see here in this area. But most of the day was spent primarily between 1020 and 1025. We really touched the top a couple times. This is a 20-day chart I wanted to show real quick before we go to the minutia. But real quickly, you can see that this is 20 days. Again, our low goes back to about 975 back here in mid-August, and then we hit a high towards the end of August of 1039. So we traded back down to 990 here in the September 1st, 2nd area, and have since rallied back. Now the fib line I have goes from the top to the bottom of this low right here at 990, and you can see the retrace right now is actually right back here to this. We're over the 61.8, which is 1020, and the 76.8 is right here at 1027.40. So I just wanted to show that. Now, if I were to take a from the all-time low here, well, not all-time, but in the last 20 days, take that fib off, and we draw from the low here of 975 up to the high of 940, let's just call it. And you can see we're right here again. We are pushing the envelopes. We tested the 61.8, which was basically 999, and we have continued back up. So again, a lot of confluences here. You can see the 23.8 is right here at 1024. Now let's break it down into today's action, where again we traded above the pivot. The pivot today was 1020 and a quarter, and for the day, just to show you real quick here on a 5-minute chart, you can see this 1-minute chart. We basically chopped all day. We were in this 1025 to 1020 lockdown, as I called it, and here was the open. 630 was right around this area, 1023 and a quarter. Guess where we're trading on the close? 1023 and a quarter was right here. We basically came down to that area at 115, and right here again at 742 on the Pacific Coast, 1042 Eastern, we're back to 1023 and a quarter. So unless we break out of this 1020, really the 1019 to 1027 area, 2 or 3 points above either side of that, we are directionless. Again, directionless. We closed on Friday at around 1016, and since then we drifted up to this level, and now we're just basing again. So, which is typical of this market, typical of a again continuation of the. There's not a lot of economic news out there this week. There's not a lot of continuation going on out there. So keep this in mind as you look to the markets this week. We could remain slow. There's not a lot of big economic news out there. Gold today again hit about 1,010, but then pulled back. Just wanted to throw up Newmont real quick. One of the gold stocks, you can see this is pretty typical of what happened with gold in general. Just to throw it up again, we gapped up and we gapped and crapped. So this was the open here at $48. That was the high of the day. Sucked them in all day, and we basically closed at the low of the day. This is not a very bullish chart, if you will. We closed Friday right here at about this 46.20. Today we closed 45.70. So gold actually closed lower than it closed on Friday in general, at least on Newmont. If we were to take a quick look at the metals, here is the, when I just bring up the December mini gold, and you'll see the same type of chart behavior here. So again, here is the hold on one quick second. Anyways, gold you can see is continuing to do the same type of move as the Newmont mining. So that's it. We'll be back tomorrow again. Tomorrow we'll be expecting, there's not a lot of financial news out here the rest of the week, so take it easy out there. Wait for the traders to come back. Again, volatility is slow right now. Futures roll over on Thursday. We roll to the Z contract, so mark your calendars. The expiration is next Thursday, but you can start trading them. They're already trading, but you want to move from the U to the Z contract here towards the end of the week. And that's it. Have a great evening, and we'll talk with you tomorrow. Peace.